Thanksgiving is a holiday full of traditions. In Massachusetts, for many, high school football is as much a part of the day as turkey and stuffing. One of the oldest annual matchups in the Commonwealth is the East Boston vs. Excel high school rivalry. This year's matchup will be the 103rd meeting between the Jets and the Knights. While Excel High School has replaced what was formerly South Boston High School, the game is still often referred to as the Eastie-Southie game by coaches, players, and proud alums.
I mean, this is a great game, and it goes way back, 102, 103 years. Just the excitement that builds up for the game, the excitement on the kids' faces, the coaches. I'm a graduate of East Boston High School. I played in the game, so it makes it even more special.
It's a matter of pride, and the kids will have something they can come back on a few years from now. All my old players from the last 5 years always start hitting me up as I walk around town. People are saying, hey, go beat Eastie, coach. They're saying that in August.
It's always important, when you played Southie and anything, you wanted to beat them. They're our arch rival, and they're well coached. They're a good group over there, and you throw the records out the window. It's Thanksgiving Day, and you just try and win one for the community.
Thanksgiving in 2020 lacked the annual rivalry game between the two schools, but in 2021, the game will have a little extra excitement, with the game set to kick off under the lights of America's most beloved ballpark.
Yeah, it's cool to be a part of it. It means a lot more this year too, especially playing at Fenway and being from Boston, being from Southie.
It's such an honor. I'm so excited. I love going to Fenway Park as a fan to watch the Red Sox play and to get the chance to be on the field and play a football game. And my last football game I'll ever play, it's just such a beautiful honor that I get to have. And I'm so thankful for this opportunity that the school gave us and the MIA gave us, and I think it's amazing.
It's going to be unbelievable for our kids, for our school community, and not just for East Boston, I think for the entire city of Boston. I think it's going to be really good.